Hey guys, so here's part 2 of the 10.1 day 1 notes. Okay, so this says, this morning I stopped at Dunkin' Donuts for a coffee. They sell coffee in small, medium, large, and extra large. There are 4 kinds of coffee. How many different ways could I order my coffee? Now here, we're going to use a diagram or tree diagram to find the total number of ways I can do that. Okay, so notice first that I have 4 different sizes of coffee. I have my small, and I'm just going to probably do this with, let's do small. I have medium, I have large, and then extra large, okay? Now, for each of these different sizes, I have 4 different types of coffee. Now, you can name your coffees as you want. I'm just going to label them 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So in a small, we have the 4 different types. In the medium, we also have that. We have 4 different types of coffee. So you can think of light, medium, dark, extra dark if you want to. And then large, the same thing. And then extra large, once again, the same thing. Okay. So now from here, I'm going to go ahead and count. So notice I'm going to count what's in the red. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the small, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's my medium, 9, 10, 11, 12, that's my large, and then 13, 14, 15, 16. So when I counted this, I had 16 because I basically had 4. I had 4 here, plus 4 equals 16. Okay. Now, what could be another way we can think of this when we are trying to find the number of ways? Well, we did have 4 different sizes, right? So the size, and we could take for each size how many different coffees. So we had 4 sizes and then 4 different coffees for each of those. So when we do that, we get 16 as well. Okay? So this is what we call the fundamental counting principle. So let's go ahead and write a definition for that. So basically, go ahead and pause the video, and then I'm going to have the definition up here, and you guys will write the definition down. So you're going to find the total. So here's our definition, fundamental counting principle. You'll find the total number of ways to do a process by multiplying the numbers of options in each. Okay? So basically, we're going to take whatever options they give to us, multiply all of those together, and that will give us our total number of ways. Now, notice for outcome, that is one of the possible results of our experiment. So like in our Dunkin' Donuts, basically that the outcomes would have been like the sizes. So large, extra large, small, medium, event, okay? Possible choice resulting in that. So basically we could be talking about, you could have a small, medium coffee, or you could have an extra large dark roast. So those would be kind of your events that would happen there, okay? Okay, so let's do some examples that include the fundamental counting principle. Okay, so these are nice and easy. All we have to do is each event can occur in the given number of ways. Find the number of ways of all events can occur. So we have in part A, event A and event B. So we are just going to multiply those 2 out. So event A is 2 ways, event B is 4. So to find our total, we do 2 times 4 gives us 8. That would be your answer. Okay, let's look at B. So event A is 4. Event B is 3 ways, and event C is 5. So remember, using that fundamental counting principle, we just multiply everything out. So we have 4 times 3 times 5. Just plug that into your calculator if you need to as well. And when we do, we get 60. Okay? And it's really that simple. That's all you need to do for this counting principle. Okay, let's look at number 3. It says you are framing a picture. The frames are available in 12 different styles. Each style is available in 55 different colors. You can also, you also want blue matte board, which is available in 11 different shades of blue. So how many different ways can you frame? So it looks like we have 12 different styles, and then there's 15 or 55 different colors, and then with the blue matte, there's 11 different shades. So we're going to take each of those events and then multiply. So this one you might actually need a calculator. So do 12 times 55 times 11, and we should get 7,260. That'll be your final answer. Okay. Okay, let's look at number 4 here. So it says Dunkin' Donuts also offers 7 different kinds of flavor shots. What is the total number of ways I can order my coffee? Now remember the sizes. So we had our sizes. That was small, medium, large, and extra large. There we go. And then we had the different types. Okay, so the types of coffee. And I just said 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can think about the flavor shots. Okay. Now don't forget. Now it says keep in mind that you do not have to add. So we do have these 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but we will also have the 8, which represents no shot. So what we're going to do is take each of these. So we had 4 sizes. Then we had 4 different types. And really, we have 7 flavors plus the 8, or the 1 extra, meaning we don't have a shot. So we definitely have 8 total of those events. So we plug this into our calculator, 4 times 4 times 8, and we actually have 128 ways that we can do our coffee. Okay? Okay, make sure you guys watch the next part of this video here.